Jellyfish are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. They look like something out of a sci-fi movie, floating effortlessly through the water with their translucent bodies and long, flowing tentacles. They have been around for millions of years, even before dinosaurs, and they have barely changed. That alone makes them one of the most impressive survivors in nature. One of the coolest things about jellyfish is that they are not actually fish. They have no bones, no heart, no brain, and no blood. Instead, their bodies are mostly made of water, with a simple nerve net that helps them sense the world around them. Even though they seem delicate, jellyfish can survive in almost any ocean, from the warm tropical waters to the freezing depths of the Arctic. Jellyfish move in a way that looks almost hypnotic. They pulse their umbrella-shaped bodies, called bells, to push themselves through the water, but they are not the best swimmers. Instead of actively chasing food, jellyfish mostly drift with the ocean currents, waiting for their tentacles to catch something tasty. Speaking of food, jellyfish eat plankton, tiny fish, and even other jellyfish. They use their tentacles, which are covered in tiny stinging cells called nematocysts, to paralyze their prey before bringing it to their mouths. Most people know jellyfish for their sting, and for good reason. Some jellyfish stings are just a mild irritation, but others can be extremely painful or even deadly. The box jellyfish, for example, is considered one of the most dangerous sea creatures in the world. Its venom is so powerful that it can cause heart failure in humans within minutes. On the other hand, there are some jellyfish that do not sting at all, like the ones found in Jellyfish Lake in Palau. One of the strangest facts about jellyfish is that some of them might actually be immortal. The species Torotopsis dohrnii has the ability to reverse its aging process. When it is injured or under stress, it can transform its cells back into a younger stage, basically starting life over again. This has made scientists incredibly curious, as studying these jellyfish could lead to discoveries about aging and medicine. Jellyfish also have a surprising impact on the environment. In some areas, their populations have exploded due to overfishing and climate change. Without enough predators, like sea turtles and large fish to keep their numbers in check, jellyfish blooms can become a problem. They can clog fishing nets, damage power plants by blocking cooling systems, and even take over beaches, making it unsafe to swim. Despite their mysterious and sometimes dangerous nature, jellyfish are incredibly beautiful. Some species glow in the dark, using the process called bioluminescence. Others have delicate, lace-like patterns on their bells, making them look like floating pieces of art. Watching jellyfish drift through the water in an aquarium can be oddly relaxing, like a living lava lamp.